Hello, today in this video I am going to talk about how can you get 100 followers in Instagram very quickly. In these steps you can follow these 3 steps, then you can achieve the 100 followers in minimum time. Number one is you want to post daily. Every single day you want to post something else in your Instagram account, so then you will highlight it on your Instagram account, then people are noted about you, then you get some traffic. And yeah, then number two is good profile look. You want to make a good profile look, something in your bio. You want to address who you are, the search engine optimization you want to do, and then some at your links to your website or something else you have. So yeah, that's where you can make a good output in your profile. Then number three is use perfect hashtags. When you're posting something, it's very important. You want to listen. When you're posting something, you want to keep in your mind which topic you are going to post, what related things you are going to post. So that related things are, you want to make it like a hashtag. Like if you're going to post some a motivation quote, you can put some like a motivation promo, motivation life or something. Like you can easily access those hashtags by using search on Google the motivation hashtags. Then you will find out a first link, choose, then you will find some 20 to 24 hashtags, then you copy and paste on your below the post, or you can as a post in like a comment. So in this way you can put beautiful hashtags and you will get instant traffic on your profile account. The fourth way you can do is friendly interact with your followers. Now you have 3 to 4 followers, but you want to interact with them and chat with them. Then the all customers always important. When you try to find out new customers, it's okay, but you want to engage all customers also. So you want to interact with them. Hi, how are you? And or something, ask them what are you doing, like it's casual things. Okay, so these are very basic tips you can follow. Then this is not the end of the video. I'm going to use another tip. That's a proper manage your highlight story. In Instagram profile you'll find out some highlights, like you can add your story into a highlights. Then you will good manage. Then when you customer come into an account, visit your account, they find out your what are the stories you will post, what are the niche you are going to post it in here. Then you will address your and you will comfortable with you. So these are the most things you want to do, achieve quick 100 followers in Instagram. So I'm already get followers in 1 month, so it's not easy. You want to post a lot of post in Instagram, then you will get 100 followers. My next goal is 1000 followers, so keep in touch. My Instagram link showing this video, so please follow me, and another video we will look there. Bye bye.